And attacking the defense. High pass. The long pass and the finish. Ang Nugget. Rebound Melencio fakes. Falling away. Bakit? Melencio. And the pass back. Attacks. Bounce pass. Reverse layup. Yes sir. Attacking the defense. Lays up. Bakit? Destacamento. Welcome to Abra Intertown Solid North Cup. Piddigan versus San Isidro. Number 0 spins. Number 3. Pass to the middle. And first ball possession Piddigan. Number 5. Attacking the defense. Kicks out. Open look. He attacks. He spins. Falling away. Bullseye. First block. And here's Team San Isidro. Number 7. Destacamento to number 7. Deep 3. Very good. Rebound. Kicks out. Naagawan. And all the way. Easy 2. And bounce pass. Number 71. Corner pass. Inside pass. Bomb. Fires off the window. Bucket. Number 0. Cross the mid lane. Number 7. To Destacamento. Goes to the corner. To the middle. Fires short. Destacamento the rebound. Natapikan ni Stolen. And the pass. Nauna na Liz. One go. Oh! 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 And the pass. Attacks. Bounce pass. Fire short. And attacking the defense. High pass. The long pass and the finish. And attacking the defense. Destacamento. And stall. And the pass. And the pass back. Attacks. Bounce pass. Reverse layup. Yes sir. Team Piddigan to Remogat. Remogat holds the ball. To the middle. Bam. Fires. Basket and one. Melencio. Pass to Mutuano. Kicks out. He stops. Oh! No good. Rebound ni Remogat. Pass break ngayon. Pablo. Oh! Nakala ko sinausaw. Sayang. Pacunyo. Pass to number 19 to Pacunyo. To Mutuano. To the wings. Number 19. Pacunyo. Pass back. Fire shot. 3. Nugget. Rebound Melencio fakes. Falling away. Bakit? Melencio. Remogat. Pass to number 71. To Remogat. Remogat for 3. Bang! Remogat asking for pick. Stops to the middle. Pass inside. Luis Pablo Liz. Bakit? Luis Pablo. Pacunyo. Pass to pass back Pacunyo. To Destacamento for 3. Bang! Destacamento. Remogat to receive the ball. Pass to the corner for 3. Short. Rebound. For Piddigan. Remogat attacking the defense. Binitbit. Pinasa sa lobang. Gandang pasa. Melencio against Remogat. Melencio bounce pass. Mutuano pull up J. Free throw area. Yes sir. Natapikan. Stolen by Melencio. Melencio to the host. Basket and one. For the inbound. Remogat kicks out. For 3. Bang! At the buzzer! That's the end of the Melencio. Pacunyo. Corner. Destacamento fix. Attacking the defense. Lays up. Bucket. Destacamento. Remogat. Bounce pass. Number 8. To the middle. Kicks out. Attacking the defense. Lost the handle. And Pacunyo to Melencio. Baseball pass. Nauna na. In another pass. Fires easy 2. Cut. Pass back Remogat. Asking for a pick. Stops for 3. Won't go. Rebound Destacamento. Melencio. Melencio. He pass. Pass back Melencio. Deep 3. Bang! 3 points. Down to 6-point lead. And Melencio. High pass inside. Inside. Fires basket and one. Luis. Melencio. Pass back, Melencio picks, step back, cross pass, 4-3. Bang! Another 3! 27-22. And 5-point lead for Pitigan. Remogat. For deep 3. Bang! He buried the 3! Rebound pa Cunyo. Here's Destacamento. Corner pass. To the middle. Open look pa Cunyo. Bang! And here's Remogat. Pass to the middle. Attacks. Luis Pablo sinausaw. Luis. Remogat. Pass to the wing arms. To Remogat. Number 71. To Remogat. Fires at 3. No good. Rebound. Luis Pablo sinausaw na naman. Luis Pablo. In the pass. Corner. And here's Melencio. Melencio, stop for 3. Short. Rebound. Stolen by Melencio. And attacks. Reverse layup. Yes, sir. Melencio. The long pass. Eksakto yung pass, Alice. Tinapboard pa. Rebound for team San Isidro. Side step fires of the window. Yes, sir. Remogat. Pass back to Remogat to the middle. Pull inside pass. Picks, fires. Basket and one pala yung gusto. And stops to the middle. Mutuano. Kicks out. And attacking the defense bump. Falling away. No good. Rebound. Fires. Basket and one. And here is number 7. Goes to the middle. For 3. Bang! 3 for the inbound. Now looking for the receiver. Destacamento. Inside pass na libre. Bucket for 2. And number 7. Attacking the defense picks. Bump. Attack. Sinausaw. Nakalusog. That's the end. One. Goes to the middle. To Remogat. Pass to Pablo. To number 71, high pass to the middle. Corner, open look for 3. Bang! Nothing but that. And here's number 7. Oh, lumipad. Nagmekos sa taas. Oh, bumawi ng 2. Melencio, high pass to Destacamento. To Melencio, attacking the defense. Spins to the middle. To Melencio. For 3. Bang! 3 points. Rebound Remogat. Sumisigsag Remogat all the way to the hoops. Bucket for 2. And the long pass, number 7. Pass to Destacamento, binit-bit. Easy 2. Out. Number 5 attacks. Lace, bucket for 2. Melencio goes to the screen. Picks, open look, long 2, no good. Rebound. And Remogat. Remogat now in Harry stop for 3. Bang! Deep 3. And here's Melencio. Open look. Sasagot. Bang! Remogat. Asking for a pick. Between the legs. Attacking the defense. For 3. Bang! Back to back 3. Remogat. Melencio. Pass. He fires at 3. Won't go. Rebound Destacamento. To Melencio, open look, picks between the legs. Attacks, floater. Yes, sir. Melencio. 4-point lead for team Pitigan. Melencio, pass to Mutuano. Pull up J, bullseye at the free throw area. And here's number 19. Tumbaga to Melencio. Melencio to Mutuano. Pull up J. Bucket! Down. Pass to number 71 to Remogat. To Cañeta. Kicks out to Remogat. Di distansya between the legs. Open look attacks. Lace. Bucket. Face to face. To the middle. For 3. Won't go. Rebound. Cañeta. And nakalusot. And inside pass sa gitna. Attacks. Falling away. Nagid. Rebound. Put back. Bucket. 5-point lead. Melencio against Remogat. Nakalusot. Pull up jumper at the free throw area. Bullseye. Remogat. Remogat goes to the screen picks. Inside pass. Pull up J. Yes, sir. Melencio. Inside pass against Mutuano. Umikot. Fires. Basket. And down to 1 point lead. Bump. 4-3. In and out. Melencio. Chance for the lead. Goes to the corner. Baseline jumper. Bullseye for the lead. Remogat. Remogat. Pinabitin. And one for the lead. And the long pass. Pacunio. Pass to Melencio. Melencio. Melencio bounce pass. Mutuano pull up J. Bullseye. Mutuano. Here's Remogat. Remogat crossover. The side step. The floater. No good. Rebound Mutuano. Pacunio. Natapikan. Stolen. Remogat binitbit. Easily. Kinaliwa pa. Second remaining. And Remogat with the receive. Deep 3. Ooh. Melencio. Fourth quarter action. We are tied at 69. And pass to Mutuano to the middle. Fires, won't go. Rebound. Baseball pass. Nauna na. Lace rejected. And number 80 pass. Fires, won't go. Rebound. And here's Remogat. Attacking against Melencio. Reverse layup. Basket and one. Grabbing layup yun. When he dribble, he goes inside, pull up J, no good, rebound, to the middle, pull up J again, no good, rebound, fires off the glass, wala pa rin, put back shot, yes sir! Inside pass, the alley-oop pass, the finish by Lu. Melencio now, stops, deep 3, bang! 3 cut against Harnacion, lost the handle. Pass to Pablo. Luis Pablo binitbit. Lace. Bakit? Luis Pablo. Melencio. 3 versus 1. Alley-oop pass. Oh! 5 point lead. And here's Pablo. Luis Pablo. Attacks. Spins. Kicks out to the corner. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Cancillo, and here's attacks, corner pass, open look for 3, bang, Remogat! Cross the mid lane, pass to Pablo, Luis Pablo, hands the ball, pass to Remogat for 3, off the mark, rebound, Cancelillo, the floater, off the window, bucket! Remogat at the top, goes to the screen, inside pass, Luis Pablo, the floater, yes sir! Melencio against Remogat. Melencio. Inside pass na agawan. 2 versus 1. In hurry. Alley-oop pass. No! Sinausaw. Nanamat. Spins. Drives. Bounce pass inside. Fires off the window. Bucket. Congratulations, Team Pidigan.